If you want to keep your videos, pictures, audio, files, and documents hidden on your Vivo phone for privacy or security reasons, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide these files quickly and easily, so let's get started. Start by opening the File Manager app on your Vivo phone. It might be labeled as File Manager or Files. Navigate to the files or folders you want to hide. This could be pictures, video, audio files, or documents. For better organization, you might want to create a new folder to move your files into. Tap on the new folder option, naming it something like hidden, and move your files into this folder. To hide a folder or file, you need to rename it. Add a dot at the beginning of the folder name. For example, rename hidden to .hidden. Files and folders starting with dot are hidden in most file managers. Some Vivo phones come with a built-in privacy feature called Hide Apps or App Block to use this. To use this, go to Settings on your phone, look for Privacy or Security option, enter your password or use fingerprint recognition if prompted. Select the option to hide your files. And that's it, you've successfully hidden your videos, pictures, audio files, and documents on your Vivo phone. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and we'll help you out.